All right, well, we're going to go ahead now and switch gears and talk about something really pleasant, which is our weather outside right now. And the good news is it's sticking around.
Boy, Zane, we do like forecasts like this.
Yeah, we've got a stretch here for at least a few days where there's not going to be much to worry about when you walk outside at any point in the day. Here is just how much enjoyable weather you're going to have. Outside right now, obviously, it looks pretty good. We're going to see a lot more of this to come. The two big things for this coming week or the rest of this week and beyond, mainly dry weather and gradually warmer weather. Our rain possibilities, they're pretty slim. One this coming Wednesday and this other one is maybe looking like this Saturday. And then we're looking at temperatures as we head towards the 80-degree mark long range. Outside right now, pick a spot, probably got blue skies overhead. There's just a few clouds as you go into the kind of southern parts of Iowa from those Lamoni and Pella cameras at this hour. That's about it though. As we've talked about for a couple of days, eastern Iowa, you're about the only spot that was probably going to see a few clouds thanks to a system that's over here. If you look long enough at the Ohio River Valley, you'll see a little bit of a kind of rotating action in some of those clouds. Upper level low pressure over there that's just been churning in the same basically spot for at least 2 to 3 days now. Actually, some parts of that part of the region has seen anywhere from 1 to 3 inches worth of rain since the weekend. It's all part of what we call an omega block, a blocking pattern in the upper atmosphere that causes the weather to basically just not change, which in our case is very good. In other cases, it's a little bit wet out there. It's called an omega block because a lot of times the upper level winds kind of look like the Greek letter omega, but basically you have 2 stationary low pressure centers, and now we've got the upper level winds, the jet streams diverted on either side, and not really much changes until one of these weakens and kind of shifts off to the east, and it's going to be this one as we head through the next few days. So tomorrow, not much change from today, just a little bit warmer. We're aiming towards the middle to upper 70s for highs. I don't know, well, a few spots, maybe you'll sneak towards 80 up towards northwest Iowa, but not everybody just yet. That's going to be a little bit longer. Still plenty of sunshine here for your Tuesday, so we'll start tomorrow afternoon and we'll go into tomorrow night. Now we'll start to see more cloud cover from that second low pressure zone that's in the desert southwest right now, pushing some clouds in to Iowa towards Wednesday morning, headed towards noontime, still kind of a mix of clouds and sun, and then towards Wednesday afternoon, here's our slim chance of some rain, and I think maybe this modeling might even be overdoing it just a touch. Spotty sort of scattered stuff or isolated rainfall, maybe a rogue rumble of thunder towards late Wednesday afternoon and then into Wednesday night. You see, not everybody's going to be getting rain at any given point, and some folks might not get any rain at all. That's quick and done. By Thursday, we're back to sunnier skies, and we'll keep those sunny skies going as we head through the rest of the week and into the weekend. Our second slim chance of rain is Saturday as a kind of weak boundary shifts in from the north, so we'll call that another 20% chance. And then after that, the story becomes temperatures. We're crossing the 80-degree mark either Saturday or Mother's Day this coming Sunday, and a few different days in the 80s look likely, along with increasing winds into next week.